Welcome back to Larte Design YouTube channel, and this is another Larte edition video where we are going to present you the Larte Design project done in-house. So let's have a look and see for which car this project has been done. As you can see, this is the BMW X7 2025 with a full Larte Design carbon fiber package. And as you have already seen in the previous videos, we have done the same project for different colors of the X7, for example in black or also gray. And this, as you can see, is a special paint called Manhattan Green. So let us know which edition you like the most. So let's now dive in and look at all the parts individually, and we start talking about the front of this massive BMW X7. And as you can already see, we have done here quite a lot of changes. So this car has got a complete carbon fiber look from the top to the bottom. So let's have a look at all these parts individually. First of all, you'll see on this car the massive Larte Design carbon fiber hood. And as you can see, this is not just an overlay, it's a complete hood which got here instead of the stock one. And in addition to the carbon fiber, this hood has also got interesting design lines in addition with this interesting inserts on the hood itself. And also one thing I want to mention that this hood has also got a Larte Design logo on top to make you feel even more individual. And as we look further down, you will see that this carbon fiber look continues with the grille trim in the middle. And also going onto the sides, we've got here the side elements there and also in the bottom. So as you can see, this is a complete carbon fiber transformation. By the way, let me also mention how great carbon fiber looks on this color. As you can see, this design looks natural from all perspectives and all angles. And one thing that I would like to mention on the bottom of this car, this is a front bumper splitter which gets replaced instead of the stock glossy part, and now this is a complete carbon fiber transformation. And additionally, this BMW X7 has got the carbon fiber license plate holder. So this BMW is a 100% carbon fiber transformation done by Larte Design in-house in Germany in 24 hours. We continue this video by talking about the side changes on this BMW X7. And one of the most important changes on this project are the wheels. So as you can see, I'm currently holding the stock BMW wheel in my hand, and this is the 22-inch wheel, and the client has decided to go for a bit bigger wheel, which are here the Larte Design forged 23-inch wheels. And as you can see, to this carbon fiber transformation, the client has decided to add some elegance by choosing these glossy black rims on this car. So let us know, how do you like this combination of this Manhattan green color with carbon fiber transformation and this design of wheels? And in addition to the rims, we've also got two other premium touches on this BMW X7, and let me show you what I mean by that. As you can see, we've got here the M version mirror cups, also done in carbon fiber, which do add a sort of sportiness to this luxury SUV. And in addition to this mirror cups, on the bottom we've also got the special side seals, which, as you can see, complete and finalize the overall silhouette of this sporty SUV. And let me also show you one thing here. On the bottom we've also got a Larte Design special logo here, and as you can see, this side seal continues the silhouette also to the rear of this car, and therefore finalizing this overall complete look. And also for the rear of this BMW X7, we have added more carbon fiber. So let's have a look from the top, and we will also look at the bottom. So here, first of all, at the top we've got the rear spoiler. Also in the middle we've got the Larte Design badge here, and as you can already see, this spoiler definitely creates this sporty character and highlighting it even more on this car. So now as we look further down, you will see that also in the bottom we've added more carbon fiber here, and we've got the rear bumper diffuser here with additional Larte Design exhaust tips. Now have a closer look and you will see how massive and big these exhaust tips are, definitely emphasizing the power of this luxury SUV. And also on the sides we've added here special Larte Design logo. And one thing before I forget to mention, as you already saw on the front of this car, we have also added in the back the Larte design badge. Now this is a complete transformed Larte design BMW X7 done for our client in Europe. As an additional side fact, this car was received by the client just a few days ago, and we have transformed it completely, as you just seen in this video, in-house in less than 24 hours. So we do offer the high professional installation in-house close to Düsseldorf in Erkrath, and we will be happy to welcome you here and also transform your car in, again, less than 24 hours. And also one important thing that I would like to mention here, as you have seen yourself, all the parts sit like OEM. This means that we do produce high quality parts, and by the way, everything is made in Germany, so this is the complete carbon fiber transformation here. And if you also wish to give your BMW X7 the exact same look, do not hesitate and leave us a request on our website, which will be linked in the subscription below. And now, just before to finish off this video, let me also give you a quick sound check just to see how this car also sounds.